After exploring the Bugolobi Flats, I decided to continue my journey and take a look at another side of this beautiful neighborhood, the Bugolobi Bangaloos. But before I got started, I made a quick stop at a nearby shop to grab a cold drink and cool off. Yes, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm chilling somewhere here around Bugolobi after a long walk. You know, I was showing you guys around Bugolobi Flats and I'm taking a cold drink. I need to refresh it, okay? But anyway, I'm gonna show you, around Bugolobi Bangaloos as well before we conclude our tour of Bugolobi, okay? So just keep watching and enjoy the vibe, enjoy the place, enjoy the ambience, the atmosphere. Yup, that's my plan, okay? Keep watching. Some spots here around food bars, restaurant bar. If you know this place, yup, it's also around Bugolobi. After a short break, I was ready to continue the adventure. Let's start exploring Bugolobi Bangaloos, okay? Let's go. As I walked through the area, I immediately noticed the peaceful atmosphere that makes Bugolobi stand out from many parts of Kampala. The wide roads, mature trees, and spacious compounds give the neighborhood a calm and welcoming feel. Bugolobi is one of Kampala's older residential suburbs, and over the years, it has developed into a highly desirable place to live. Historically, the area grew as a residential neighborhood for professionals and families seeking a quiet environment close to the city center. Many of the original bungalows reflected the architectural style of the time, featuring large compounds, gardens, and practical designs suited to Kampala's climate. Although modern apartments and commercial developments have appeared in recent years, many of these bungalows still remain and continue to tell the story of Bugolobi's past. They offer a glimpse into how residential life in Kampala looked decades ago and showcase the character that has made this neighborhood special for generations. Dolphin suits. Yep. It's full of trees, so you can rate, you can compare this place to other places that I've shown you before, for those who have been following me. Okay, last time there is a residential place I showed you known as Muchigaga, that side of Port Bell, and today this side of Bugolobi, so you can rate the places. Okay, as for me, the first place, Muchigaga, that side of Port Bell, that was pretty good. I mean, that's my opinion. Yep. It was a nice place, a beautiful place. I'm not saying that this place is not beautiful. Nope. It's also beautiful, but when I'm to compare, the first place that I, explored, Muchigaga zone in Port Bell, it was really nice. But here, yep, it's an residential area as well, but the other place is better if I'm to compare. Yep, that's it. Anyway, let's continue exploring. I'm gonna show you around every corner of this place, okay? Yeah, just keep watching. That's dolphin suits. Yep. The orchard residences. Columbia Road. Those apartments you see right there, they are called orchard residences, okay? But as far as I know, they are mostly used by, foreigners, because they are so expensive, okay? Yep. And you're gonna find that most of the local people cannot afford such residences, such apartments, because of their pricing rate. Very expensive. They charge in dollars. Orchard residence, okay? You see, orchard residences. Yep. I remember we used to come this side with my friend Lubanga Kene. Yep. We used to come and chill from this side during holidays. We were still studying at St. Kizito SS by then, and every weekend or during holidays we come this side and just chill, walk around this area because it's a quiet place and it's kind of good for meditation. Yep. Now the sounds or the noise you hear in the background, it's caused by these borders, but generally this place is a quiet place. Yep. So now I come to an end of the Bugolobi tour. I hope you had a great experience. Yep, it's been quite a challenging walk because I reached a time when I was really feeling tired, but I just didn't give up. I just stayed active, walking around, but I was really feeling very tired. Okay, yep, so this is the final part, and I'll be glad to get some comments from you below in the comment section. Okay, this place is the MUBS Annex. Yep, where the master students come and study from. Okay, yep, that's the place, Bugolobi MUBS Annex. Anyway, see you in the next video. I don't know where I'm gonna explore next, but I'll let you know once I get a place. Okay, yep, or you can suggest suggest different places in the comment section, then I go explore them. And I'm gonna reach a time when I'm also exploring, you know, outside Uganda. But as for now, I'm still exploring only places in Uganda. Yep. My next destination from Uganda will be Kenya, and you know, Kenya, Rwanda, South Africa. Well, for South Africa, I'm not sure, but that will be my next destination. Kenya. Yeah, for Kenya, I'm sure it's gonna be my next destination because there are a lot of places to tour outside. Anyway, see you in the next video. Ciao.